Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum everyone. This is artist Rabia from Pakistan. Guys, today I want to show you how you can make the digital custom shape pattern in Photoshop. So from here you can see I have this file option. I'm taking a new file. The size I'm taking to 200 by 200 pixels. And with the help of this rectangular marquee tool, let's make a rectangle. I'm pressing Alt backspace to fill the color. Now press Ctrl 8 to select all. You can see I have this alignment options above. If I align it to the center, for example, I want to have its center point. Now I'm pressing Ctrl D to deselect the selection. Now let's move this circle by pressing delete button. You can remove it easily. Now I'm pressing Ctrl plus to zoom out. You can see I have these rulers above. If you don't have rulers, simply press Ctrl R to have these rulers, or you can also have the rulers from the window. I'm dragging this. Guys, now you can see I want to have the custom shape right here. If I click here, I have many of the custom shapes. You can see. For example, you can go and select the ornament shapes from here. Enter OK button. You can see I have these ornaments right here. I wanna go with this. Guys, you can see I have this right here. By pressing Ctrl T to transform, you can transform it. Guys, if you want to have a copy of it, simply press Alt and drag. You can see I have its copy. Now again I want to have two shapes right here. I'm going into the custom shapes. And I'm going with any of the pattern from here, which I like the most according to my taste. You can see if I press Shift and Alt button, I can have this right here. You can also change your color from here, fill and stroke. Want to resize it, press Ctrl T to transform and simply drag from its corners, and by pressing Shift and Alt you can resize. Press enter. Now if you want to make a copy, press Alt and drag. Now guys, I have this pattern right here. Now if I want to change the color of my background, I'm going here into the layers. And from here into the foreground color, let's select the color which I want. To have the lighter tone of pink color, from here I am taking the very lighter tone. Hit OK. And by pressing Alt backspace you can fill the color. Guys, now I'm going into the edit and I'm going to define the pattern for my shirt. Click on this and name your pattern right here. I'm naming it as custom shapes. Hit OK. From here let's take a new file of size 2000 by 2000 pixels. Guys, the resolution is 150 and the color mode is RGB. Hit OK. If I click here on the foreground, you can see I have the pattern option. Let's click here and you can see this pattern. I have this right here. If I click this and fill here, you can see I have this pattern right here. Guys, now if you want to change the color of your pattern, you can simply go into the hue adjustment layer. First I am selecting the move tool from here. Go with this hue saturation. You can see if I drag this slider, you can see the colors are being changed very easily. Like this, you can change the color of your any of the image very easily. This is super cool and super fun. So guys, if you like today's video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. This is artist Rabia signing off. We'll come back with another video, inshallah.